So as we move into the second line of the inner smile, it relates to the digestive system and the various organs that help in the digestion. So we start this line of the inner smile with the saliva and with the mouth. And so a good way to start to generate the energy here is to rotate your tongue. And you can do 9 times one way, 9 times the other way, 36 times, 18 times. You'll build up as you get more practice. Believe it or not, your tongue starts to get tired, but the great thing about the saliva is it really is kind of like a lubricant that helps nourish the organs. So we'll start out rotating the tongue around the mouth. I'll do it 9 times here in the video. You can also rotate your eyes as you rotate your tongue to give them extra exercise if you want to. And then after you generate the saliva, swish it around a little bit and then swallow it down, and we'll follow the path more or less that it goes through the digestive system. Swallow that saliva, and we'll feel it going down the esophagus into the stomach. And we'll just bring our awareness there to our stomach, which does a lot to partner with the spleen. In the Chinese medicine, they're a pair there, a yin and yang pair. It breaks down the food that we eat, helps absorb the nutrients out of it. We can move our awareness to our gallbladder, which works with its pair, the liver. And the gallbladder creates the bile, helps in our digestion. Feel free to massage it there. And in the stomach, we thought about the color of yellow, the gallbladder, green, just like the bile it creates. We'll move our awareness down to our small intestine, and it's a pair with the heart, so we can focus on the color of red there in our small intestine. Studies have shown that there's almost as many brain cells, nerve cells, in our small intestine as there are in our actual brain. So that second gut, or that gut feeling you have, science is showing we do have a lot of reasoning capability and logical biology there that can help with that. So from the small intestine, we'll then focus on the large intestine, which goes up the right side in the ascending colon, across in the transverse colon, and down the descending colon. So we can either put our hands on both sides, thumbs across the top to tune into it, or we can massage it to bring that smiling awareness into it. It's good to massage it clockwise in this direction. That's the way our bowels move through our body. Chinese doctors would say for constipation, massage it this way. If someone has diarrhea, massage it this way. For now, we're really just smiling into it, thanking it for all it does and getting rid of the waste in our body. It's a partner with the lungs, and so just like the lungs, we'll focus in on white energy, feeling it open and expand, functioning properly. Tuning into that large intestine, thinking about what its needs are, making sure it gets enough water to help remove the waste out of our body. Then the last one in the digestive tract is the urinary bladder, which is just down from our navel, above our pubic bone, just right here. And urinary bladder, it partners the kidneys, so it also does a lot to help get rid of the water in our body, helps excrete excess fluids, and just tune in and smile to it, thanking it for all the great functions it performs every day for us. And so after we've smiled to our urinary bladder, just bring our hands back up to our navel and rest here before we move on to the third line.